guys, here's the food. Wow.
Oh my goodness.
And a croissant.
Croissant.
Yay. Oh, let's try it.
Taste test. Tastes like coffee. I love coffee.
It.
Oh my god, yeah, they did so well.
Pretty good, except I got like a really big bunch of like the yuzu jam instead of it mixed together.
Yeah.
Let's eat. Nom. We found a thrift store. Daiso. Oh, they got the Christmas stuff. Oh, yum. Oh, yummy.
I bought a present for you.
Wait. Yum. I love air. Oh, stickers. These are so aesthetic.
Yeah.
Are these the vibes you're going for? Oh my god, it's so cute.
You are with Elsa and
Katie. Okay, Hot Chili Peppers.
Hell yeah.
Okay.
get down, get bounce, jig it to the floor. Anyone's just no.
A word, gotta make that money make first. Gotta burn coats, we'll make it burn. Get a whip that money, see me earn. Gotta work. No! I ignore this! No! I got money on my mind. I'm one with the wind and sky. Let it go.
We finished.
So quite hot. It's like
Guys, we're looking for Leave It.
little leave it. He's going.
Is he in there?
No. The booth ate him. Alright.
Look what we found. I love Paris. I love Paris. Louis Baguette. I want to get a cute denim skirt. What? It's Elsa. ateez. Make that money make purse. Got a fur coat, gonna make a purr. Cotton on. It's huge. Marvel Stadium's over there. Can you guys see? Oh yeah. My bias is Yoongi, so his little character is Shuki, and then my bias Rekka is Taehyun, so he has Tata. But my bias in BTS doesn't correlate with my BT21 bias. I think Mang is so cute, such a cool design. when I shake it. Like there's no sound. From memory, I think this was like $18. We're not gonna look at the character card. It is Koya! The little character card. It's got spinning wheels. The wheels are actually functioning. Koya's a koala, and that's like so Australia cool. I think it's really fitting that I pulled him for my first one. And he's got the army character as his little eye mask. Oh, here. Oh! Look how cute he is.